property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we're in Havendale, Kingston 19, Jamaica, and we will be looking at this lovely 5 bedrooms, 3 bathroom house that is on the market for sale. The asking price is 59 million Jamaican dollars. Property viewers, if you're interested in this property, remember to stick around to the end of this video where you'll find Duncan's contact information. He is the listing agent for this property, so contact him. Now guys, if you're interested in accessing royalty-free music, remember to use the link in our description box to sign up with Epidemic Sounds. By doing so, you'll get your first month free. Now, before we get into this tour, remember to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. I want to thank you all our new subscribers for joining us. Now let's take a look at this lovely property. Now guys, we're on Woodley Drive and we're very close to all major amenities. We're literally walking distance away from PriceSmart and the schools, churches, and all shopping centers that you would be interested in. Now on this avenue, we have lovely homes just as this one that we'll be looking at today. And right here we have our pedestrian gate and our vehicular access that gives you access to the driveway, and it leads to a covered carport. We have all of this green area to lounge, entertain guests, and just enjoy setting up our gardens, something that you can take on as a project or you can leave it as is, but this is a really nice space. Here we have a lot measuring approximately 9,100 square feet, and the home itself offers 3,000 square feet of living space. Now property viewers, I want you to bring your attention to the exterior of the home. As I said earlier, we have our carport, our front patio is here as well, and you can see that the property is fully fenced for security purposes. And here we also have the opportunity to walk around the entire property. I love that feature. So to the side, we can walk to the back. A vehicle can also pass here as well. And we can access this side of the property just the same. Now property viewers, you know that I'm a lover of income earners, and this home is perfect for that. Now, we can enter the property from here, but we can also enter it from the side, and that's where we'll be going right now. So come with me. Let's take a look at this area where we can plant some flowers, some greenery, lovely. And here to the side is our second entry. So here is where maybe a prospective tenant could enter the property from, or the owner can access the property to enter this portion of the house. So right here we also have a front patio, and it leads to the living area. Welcome property viewers. Here we have the living area, and you can see that we have our porcelain floor tiles throughout this entire space. Just off the living area, we have the bedrooms. Now guys, currently there is no electricity here at the property, so the place is going to be a bit dark, but let's take a look nonetheless. So here is bedroom 1. You get a lovely view of the front yard from here. Inside here we have or closet, spacious bedroom, all the electricals are installed. And along this passage, we have what you can use as storage here and down there as well. And here is the second bedroom. Once more, spacious bedroom, large windows, view of the front yard and the closet. High ceilings, just the same. And let me show you the bathroom that these bedrooms have access to. So here is the bathroom. We have our shower stall, the toilet, and a pedestal sink. Pretty spacious. Your guests can use that one as well. And just across the living area is the primary bedroom suite. Once more, spacious bedroom. And this is what I really like about this bedroom, property viewers. So we have a very spacious bathroom with our shower stall here, our toilet, and our pedestal sink. But straight ahead of me is a space that can be utilized as a walk-in closet or however you choose to, but I think it would be good for storage. So come property viewers. Now just off the living area is the kitchen. And inside here, very spacious once more. We have cabinets, lower and upper cabinets. Right here we have our double sinks, and we get a really nice view of the greenery that's outside. Now behind this space is our laundry area. Here is the laundry area, and from here you have access to the back of the property as well. Now property viewers, this is just one section of this house. Now we are going to take a look at the other side. So here again we have another self-contained section, and come this way with me. You would access here from the front patio that I showed you earlier. So come and take a look. So we are back at the front and here is the carport that we spoke about earlier, as well as the front patio. And this leads to our living and the dining area. Very, very spacious, open, high ceilings, the same floor tiles flowing throughout the space. And guys, I think that this space can be reconfigured if that is something that you would be interested in. However, if not, it is perfect as is. So here could be used as your living area, and then it flows into your dining area, and this space could be configured as your kitchen. And then to this section that where we have what is the now kitchen could be used as storage, or your laundry area. It would be ideal for laundry. So currently this is where the kitchen is. It is just off the living and the dining area. Very good layout. But if you choose, you could reconfigure it. So now just off the living / dining area, we have 2 bedrooms. We're going to go to my left first. High ceilings once more. Closet space. We have our window. Very spacious bedroom. Can comfortably fit your king size bedroom set. And in this passage, we have a full bathroom. So this is the 3rd bathroom, where we have a glass enclosure shower, or toilet, and or vanity. So this is the 3rd bathroom for the entire property, but the only bathroom for this side of the house. Here is storage area, and here is the front bedroom. Perfect. Property viewers, This bedroom looks over the front yard, the driveway, and also you'll get a lovely view from the side yard. I can just envision some roses out there. Really nice space to make this property your own. Now guys, remember, if you are interested in purchasing this property, give us a call. Our contact information will be at the end of this video, and we're looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining us. We will see you in the next property tour. Bye.